Season 2. So now, this season 2 we have new Beyblades. Our launcher grip design is now different. Now our new Beyblades are, we have Poison Sagittario, Storm Horogium, Basalt, Twisted Sagittario or Basalt Sagittario, Galaxy Capricorn, still the same Dark Bull, Dark Striker or Dark Unicorno, and Burn Pegasus. So we have, once again, we have Storm Horogium, D125 Rubber Flat, Burn Pegasus, SW145 JB, Galaxy Capricorn, C C145 Sharp, Dark Bull, SW145 Sharp, Dark Striker or Dark Unicorno, H145 Metal Semi-Flat, and and Basalt Sagittario DF145 Sharp. Alright, so this match will first have Dark Bull versus Storm Horogium for the first rounds of this tournament. 3, 2, 1, let it rip! Let it rip! One zero. Oh, did you see that? Did you just see that? Wreckage. Alright, so what's happening now? Alright, so that makes it 2-0. So that's over. The match is now over. The only problem we have to solve now. Where in the world did that fusion wheel go? Alright guys, thank you guys for watching and have a nice day.